For data table number 2, I didn't use the vinegar that came along with the lab kit. I used the vinegar that we had in the household. The mass of that vinegar was actually less than the mass of the vinegar in data table 1. So with this, for sample 1 I got 4.96, sample 2 4.98, and for sample 3 I got 4.88. Again, the numbers were around the same range. The volume of the vinegar density, pretty much the same, just a couple of different numbers. The initial volume, the same, which is 10 milliliters for each, I'm sorry. The final volume, again, fairly close, not as much, there was not much of a difference like I had in data table number 1. The volume delivered, same, fairly close. 2 of them had the same numbers. Vinegar sample 2 had a 3.2, sample 1 and 3 had 3.5. The moles delivered, again, same thing. The moles of acetic acid in the sample was the same as the moles delivered, so no difference, same as data table 1. The mass of acetic acid in the sample, there was a big difference in this one. For the vinegar sample 1 I got 0.21, for sample 2 I got 0.192, and vinegar sample 3 0.21. The calculated molarity, around the same. All 3 of them had different numbers. Sample 1 0.71, sample 2 0.65, and sample 3 0.72. The calculated percent mass was around, again, the same. 4.23, 3.85, and 4.30. All of them were around the same. The average calculated percent of the mass, I got, like I said, I got it by adding vinegar sample 1, 2, and 3, and then divided it by 3. And then for my percentage, I got 4.12. And I'm guessing it's lower than data table number 1 because of the mass of the vinegar was obviously lower than data table number 1.